Oh, nah. Say it ain't so. Say it ain't so.
Damn, damn, damn.
Hey, hey, hey. What's up, tubers? What is good? Salute to everyone. Hopefully, you're having a great day. Oh, man. We got a little bit of terrible news. It's already bad news because we can't find these devices anywhere in Walmart. I actually went to one today and saw the old one, like the old one with the micro USB up in there for about $20. I said, nah. But here it is, guys. The best deal in Google TV might be getting a price hike. Salute to 9 to 5 and Will Saddleberg, who actually presented this to us. I'm going to go down this article and we'll talk about it momentarily. It says Walmart lineup of on brand streaming devices are some of the cheapest options around if you're looking to add Google TV into your living room. But even the world's largest brick and mortar retailer can't escape the ongoing crunch facing practically every consumer electronic. It also says Walmart on 4K Plus, an Apple TV shaped streaming puck that supports Google TV with full 4K output, appears to have recently received a quiet price hike. Initially priced at $30 when it arrived. All right, hold up. Yeah, when it arrived on the store shelf last May. It's since jumped up to $40. Now, I haven't saw it yet, guys, but I'm going to take his word for it. That's $10 more. Is it worth it? We're going to talk about it at the end. While that's still not as expensive as the in-house Google TV streamer, it does constitute a massive jump in price, relatively speaking anyway, for what has always been a gadget lineup that punches above its weight. It says it seems like the price hike hasn't appeared in every region yet. 9 to 5, Google's Ben Schoen had to use a California based VPN to see the changes, while I'm seeing the new price live by default. But reports on Reddit have made this clear it's not a one off change. All right. It says the move arrives after the On 4K Plus recently faced stock shortages throughout February, before eventually reappearing on the virtual store shelves as it once typical $30 price point. It says while there are plenty of global reasons that this could have resulted in Walmart's dealing with both stock shortages and price increases, the most obvious culprit is our ongoing Ramageddon. All right, because we got this RAM problem in the states. It's causing major problems. It says even with just 2 gigs of RAM, it's entirely possible that with the product price as low as this, Walmart either had to increase the overall cost of goods to manufacturer each of these streaming pucks, or it had to turn to more expensive suppliers. It said, in fact, those product shortages seem to be continuing as the company final unit went out of stock while this article was being prepared. If you're hard pressed for a streaming stick, on $20 1080p streaming stick is still around, though its too is showing low stock. In my area, you're not finding anything except for that one I said earlier, the little $20 one. It said while the rest of the company's usual selection is currently completely sold out, don't see, don't be surprised if price increases are coming to the rest of the on branded lineup, since it appears to be our new reality for budget focused gadgets. Hey, at least the Google TV streamer is currently marked down at $80. So, man, this is crazy. This is crazy. But there is a RAM shortage, and there could be some issues going on where, as far as the RAM, they're marking up the price. So, again, it comes down to the end user. Now, here's my take on this. This is my take. All right. I still think the Plus and the 4K Pro are good devices. I believe they're still good. And I can't, if they go up $5, I don't think it'll hurt. But they're saying the plus is gonna go from 29 to 39, which is still not bad. It's $10 more. It's still not bad. But again, when you used to something being a certain price, it's hard to go back. It's just hard. But at the end of the day, you can still get your hustle on. You can still get it. It's a nice device that you can give as a present to someone. So I'm not mad at that. It's going to be interesting. I wonder if this is true or not. I don't know until I see it return to the Walmarts around me. I'm surrounded by Walmarts. I got like 5 of them, literally 5 of them. Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, I'm surrounded by honestly 6 if you want to add the one. Well, 7 if you want to add the 2 that are literally near my job, probably about 3 miles from each other. All right, they're in different cities, but there's one road literally about 3 miles or 3.5 miles away from each other. So everybody is out of stock except for the one I went to today, which was kind of further out near like Howell, Michigan. So I was out in that area. But again, man, this is crazy. This is crazy. This is interesting though. That yeah, this might be happening due to the RAM shortage and they're upping the price and everything that's going on in the world, the tariffs, all of this you can include on why Walmart will up the charge. Now, will it ever come down? You never know, because a lot of times, just like the On 4K Pro, they were $49, and then Walmart took them down like after a month, 2 months, took them down to like 44.95 or something like that. Maybe it was 4, 5, 6 months. I can't remember. So again, let me know your thoughts. I don't know. Is it crazy? Are you still going to get it when they finally come back to the shelves? Will that $10 hurt you? All right. Will it hurt you? All right. I would love to hear from you. I would love to hear from you. Let me know, because this is some news to us. All right. Subscribe to the channel if you're not subscribed to the channel. Also, share this. I'm getting a lot of more shares and share as I look at my analytics. Big salute to y'all who are actually sharing this. I appreciate you. Also, click that like button and click that bell icon and select all. That way you get notified anytime I release any content on YouTube. Again, I appreciate you. Y'all be safe out there. And again, leave something in the chat. Let me see what you're talking about, and we'll go from there. All right? Peace.